Welcome to Computer Vision Quiz Contest. In this video, we are going to look at the image segmentation and image thresholding. Image segmentation is a way of breaking down a digital image into various subgroups called image segments in order to reduce the image complexity and make further processing or analysis easier. Whenever we are tracking any type of object, unknowingly we are doing image segmentation in our mind. Threshold based segmentation, edge based segmentation, region based segmentation, clustering based segmentation, and artificial neural network based segmentation are the different types of the image segmentation techniques. Now let us see working of threshold based segmentation. Image thresholding segmentation is a basic image segmentation technique. It is a method of creating binary or multicolor image by applying a threshold value to the original image pixel intensity. In this thresholding process, we will consider the intensity histogram of all the pixels in the image. Then we will set a threshold to divide the image into sections. In MATLAB, we can easily see thresholding of the image using histogram. Now we are able to choose our threshold and we can set threshold to make threshold based image segmentation. Try other image segmentation techniques and find out which is giving best results. Do not forget to participate in quiz questions based on this video.